Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable auto scan while installing apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care, scroll down and click on app protection and then click on turn on. So now the app protection is turned on. So to turn on auto scan while installing apps, tap on this three dot more icon and then tap on app protection settings. Now here you will see a auto scan when installing apps button. So if this button is turned on, so to enable the auto scan while installing apps, turn on this button. Now from the pop-up, tap on turn on, and now the auto scan while installing apps is enabled in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.